guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today in the kitchen I will be sharing a recipe for southern style green beans. To get started, I already prepped and washed my green beans and cut off the ends and stuff. I will be using some red skin potatoes as well as some chicken broth mixed with turkey broth. I also have a little bit of turkey meat here, not much, just for the flavor of it. I will be using some apple cider vinegar, butter. I have mushroom seasoning, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, and for the aromatics I have onions, garlic, bell peppers, and some celery. For preheated skillet, you want to add some butter. I did add oil to prevent the butter from burning. Once the butter melts, you want to go in with your aromatics, give it a good stir, and allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. After about 4 minutes, your aromatic should be nice and fragrant. Next, we can go in with our broth. We'll add the broth as well as the apple cider vinegar seasonings. We'll also add the green beans, potatoes, and our turkey meat. We'll give it a good stir, cover, and allow this to simmer on medium heat for about 45 minutes. After about 45 minutes in total, your green beans should be nice and tender, the potatoes as well. And now you can taste and make sure that it suits your liking. If you need to add anything else, you can go ahead and do that. But this is it, guys. Our green beans are done. Now we can plate this up and let me show you guys the finished product. Man, them green beans was bussin' when I tell you, amazing. It was so flavorful. I did pair it up with some peri peri chicken, saffron rice, and it was a hit. My entire family enjoyed it. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and enjoy.